So guys, like I said, this is going to be a quick video on the short in response to the short that I made about this little dressing tool that you have for your grinding wheel. You will need, like if you need a shirt or something and some eyeglasses, well, not eyeglass, protective glasses for your eyes, because it does make quite the as you know, if you use a dressing tool, the idea is to clean out all the gunk in your grit and even out the wheel itself. I already done it with this. There is slightly a groove because I've done some grinding, but let's show you in action. Contact. Might be a little, might be vibrating a bit. Whew. Makes a mess. It does make a mess. That's for sure. I was hoping for a little a nice close-up, but because of the vibration, you were kind of shaky. But if you can see that, I'll take you off the three-legged horse here. But you can see how clean that wheel is now. I mean, normally, like after some use, this thing is just smooth because it's filled in with pieces of metal and plastic, you name. You know, if you're like me, I pretty much uses it for everything. Goes through a few of these wheels a year, really. So that's how, see, there's no groove. Can I show you justice here with the camera? No groove at all. Even that little groove that I did have after doing it, there's nothing. It's perfectly straight. Anyway, guys, like I say, it was just a short video. If you haven't subscribed, hit the subscribe button. Help a guy out.